Martinez. Fly ball. Right field. It's gone.
Soto. Loud sound. Deep left center. See you later. It's 11-9.
Into center field, long run, Marte back to the wall, it's gone! A game-tying home run with 2 outs in the 9th.
Here's the 1-1 from Garcia, and Ruben Odor drives this one out to deep right field. This is another one that is gone, upper deck. Ruben Odor's second home run of the night, a 3-run shot, and the Rangers now lead it 9-2.
How mechanically perfect he delivers the ball.
High drive, right center field, giving Chase his hits, and that ball is gone into Monument Park. Alonso has given the Mariners a 2-1 lead.
Into right field, Haniger chasing back. This is by the pole. It is fair. It is gone.
Luplow puts a charge into one, deep to right center field, approaching the wall, and the loop goes deep. You gotta love the loop. He just gave the Bucks the lead with an opposite field home run.
Pitch on the hands. Throws it right field, deep, and gone. It just got out of here.